Good day, guys. So today we are going to be discussing on how we can optimize our WordPress website using a single plugin. So in this video, I am going to be optimizing this little website I built for my clients recently. I'm going to optimize the performance of this website using a plugin called Accelerator. So this plugin is what we're going to be using to optimize the performance of this website. So if I check this website on PageSpeed Insight, that's Google PageSpeed Insight, you can see the performance is very low. It's beyond average. This is not how our website or any website should look like. This is for the mobile, while this is for the desktop. The desktop is 53, while the mobile is 31, which is very poor. That is why I'm going to be using this plugin, which I will be teaching you how to use in this video on this particular website. So let's go to the website. I'm just going to log into the website. So if you have any website you want to optimize, you can log into your website. I'll log into your website. Button right now. So what I'm going to do now is just to go to the plugin section. I'm going to add a plugin. Click on add new plugin. So search for the name Seraphinite. And we'll see, we'll have the plugin here. Seraphinite Accelerator. So you're just going to stop. You can see the plugin is installed. We need to activate the plugin. After doing that, you will find out that you have an accelerator in your sidebar. So you just click on settings. Or if you click on settings, all we need to do is to download the free extended plugin version. This is the one that has a free license. So this is the one that we're going to be using for this particular optimization. So you download. For sure. There's also a pro version for this plugin. So in this video, we are not going to be focusing on the pro version. I'm just going to use the free version, which is still very good for what we want to achieve. So let's just wait for the plugin to download. Already downloaded now. So all we need to do is we need to go back to our website, then go back to plugins, click on upload plugin, scroll down, so you choose the plugin file from your download, then you just click to add. So we're not going to install the plugin we just downloaded. Alright, the plugin is installed already. So we need to replace current plugin with the one we installed before. Let's replace. Alright, so that is that. We'll go back to plugin. There is something I need to show you from this particular plugin section. I already have a cache plugin on my website. You can see that is why I'm getting this notification. A conflict settings has been detected that a previous that is preventing correct working. The WP optimized, clean, compose, all those ones, they are actually similar to what we are installing with Seraphinite accelerator. So all we need to do to avoid such conflicts, we just need to install the WP optimizer. So we're not going to be using WP optimizer anymore. We just need to use the accelerator that we just added to our website. So let's remove the optimizer. You don't need to do that if you don't have it. The reason why I'm doing that is because I already have this plugin that is giving me a notification. Let me just turn it and remove it from my website. So if you don't have it, no need to do anything about it. I know I already have it on my website. I can get it demonstration. It's not going to be the same on your side. Alright, so we already done that. So let's go to settings again. Alright, so you can see that notification is gone. That notification is done. So we're just going to go through the settings. What we need to set to make this plugin to make this plugin perform very well on our website. So let me click on cache and revalidation. Colon is revalidation. You can see it's enabled. It's going to compress our files to JSON. So everything is actually okay. You accept loading, a lazy loading. So yeah, the first settings is actually very okay, but we are just going to make only few changes. Just few changes on this particular. I'm not going to go through all. I'm going to see where I'm supposed to make any change. But some of these things are a little bit too technical for you if you don't have any technical knowledge on how to build a website. Like you don't have any CSS background, you don't have HTML, PHP, JavaScript, all of that. But you don't really need to. What they already are, the first settings can really get started with what you want to achieve, but you don't need to kill yourself about it. You can see this is script and styles. This has to do with JavaScript and CSS optimization. So everything is okay. So I'm just looking for, just trying to check if there's any way I need to change their default settings. So I think what I have here is okay. I won't go through all these things because this might be too much for you to comprehend. So that is that. Let me go to contents, where them serial contents. Okay, that's fun. Right? And see, it's going to compress our image, all the image we have on the all the image I have on the website too by 80%. So it means if you reduce this particular figure numbers to 70 to 60, it's going to reduce you don't really need to reduce it at all, because the more you reduce it, the more you reduce the quality of your image, which might affect your website appearance. So 80% is okay. Just leave it as 80. All right. So you can see all the features the plugin has. It's actually compatible with majority of the plugins I use for this particular project. You can see WooCommerce, Elementor, Slider, all of that. They are all they're all compatible with this particular plugins. That is why it's one of the best plugins for this particular purpose on the internet. All right. So what is that? So we're just going to. I don't think we'll make any changes, but if you do, you can just click on save. But let me still click on save just to make sure everything is okay. All right. After that, I'm going to load my website again. Private tab. All right, the website is up and everything is done. So let me just check the page speed again to see what we have. But this particular website is going to be different. A preloader which is a little bit, which is actually going to slow down the speed of the website because the client requested for it. So there was nothing I could do in that aspect out of this. Do what he asked for. So that's that. After the installation of the plugin and or the activation, you can see our website performance moved from 51 to 93. So there's still a little bit of changes I need to make on this website, like speed index, and also that is going to improve the performance more. But with what we have now, you can see there's a very high change in the performance of what we have to run. So that is that. So thank you for watching the video, and let me know if this plugin was actually very helpful to your website performance speed. Well, have a wonderful day. Bye.